Hello, and welcome to the Office of International Admissions and Programs presentation on transitioning to H-1B from OPT or STEM OPT. This presentation is intended to inform you, our international F1 students, about the different scenarios that may occur during this transition period. If you have further questions after reviewing this presentation, please contact us using the information shown on this slide. We are not immigration attorneys and cannot provide legal advice on H-1B matters. This presentation is meant to inform you on how we are involved with your change in status from F1 to H-1B. It is important to note that OIAP has spoken to immigration attorneys regarding the need for an updated I-20 for the H-1B application. They stated that I-20s are helpful for them to understand what type of work authorization you have had in the past for the H-1B application, but they have confirmed that there is no legal requirement to have them in the H-1B process. You can submit an I-20 reprint in the ISD portal, but it can take your advisor 7 to 10 business days to process your request. We recommend uploading your prepaid, self-addressed shipping label to expedite shipping. We will not expedite these requests for students. It is important that you learn to plan in advance when it comes to your immigration status in the United States. If you would like your advisor to review your SEVIS record to determine if your employer's H-1B application for you was accepted in the lottery, submit a SEVIS record inquiry in the ISD portal. We will only perform this courtesy check of your SEVIS record every 3 weeks. Keep in touch with your employer about the status of your H-1B application. SEVIS is not 100% accurate. You are eligible for the automatic cap extension if you meet the criteria shown on this slide. Do you need a cap employment authorization I-20? Check the chart on the screen to find out. If you need a cap I-20, submit the I-20 reprint request in the ISD portal and upload a copy of your I-797 receipt notice for your employer's H-1B application for you. If your work authorization period ended before April 1st and you are still in your 60-day grace period, you are eligible for an extension of stay in the USA, but you are not eligible to work until the H-1B application is approved and your new status has started. Students in this situation should contact their international advisor for more information. Consult with a qualified immigration attorney regarding travel while your H-1B is pending. If you received a cap extension with work authorization and your H-1B is pending after September 30th, you must stop working. You may remain in the United States after September 30th while the H-1B is pending with USCIS. Some students choose to transfer to another institution within the United States to maintain their F1 status. You must request this transfer out before September 30th if your H-1B is still pending with USCIS. Remember that OIAP takes 7 to 10 business days to process requests, so request your transfer early. If your H-1B is denied during the cap period before September 30th, your SEVIS record will not be transferred in an active SEVIS status. You will have to apply for reinstatement with USCIS. If your H-1B is approved, submit an immigration status change notification in the ISD portal within 10 days of the official start date of your H-1B. Refer to the I-797 approval notice for the start date of H-1B. The chart on this page reflects what documents you should submit when you submit your immigration status change notification in the ISD portal. Please note that students on post-completion OPT, the first 12 months of OPT, and STEM OPT have to submit different documents within the request. Also, you should notice that you will submit different documents based on how the H-1B was approved. For example, were you approved for a change of status within the U.S., or will you receive your new status through consular processing? Consular processing means that your employer received an approval for you to attend an H-1B visa interview abroad, and you have re-entered the U.S. with this new visa. Refer to the chart on the screen for what to do if your H-1B is denied. Refer to the chart on the screen regarding what to do if your employer withdraws your application. We know it may be awkward to request the official withdrawal acknowledgement from USCIS from your employer. However, we cannot correct your CVIS record if it is wrong without this form. These are backup plans for students who want to remain inside the U.S. and won't have a valid EAD card based on OPT or STEM OPT. Students should prepare for the worst and explore these options prior to the H-1B not being selected or denied. So, for example, students should already have an acceptance to an institution prior to not being selected for H-1B. Following is a list of suggested resources for further information on the H-1B. Should you need further information or still have questions regarding your specific situation, please contact us using the information listed on the slide. Thank you and have a great day.